What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another fire video, y'all. Y'all see Khrome is on the jack lift, and we got a little installation that's going on Khrome. You know, I've been rocking the 1-finger levers, and we're getting ready to switch these out. These are great levers, but I wanted to go with something else that I really like, that I had my eye on, that one of my subscribers told me about, and hey, we're gonna get them on. What's up, y'all? Hey, I talked with a company named Tucker Speed, y'all, and they got great levers. If you don't know anything about their levers, dude, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I'm gonna put a picture on here just so you can go check out their website. They have great adjustable levers, and one thing I like about their levers, I'm gonna show them to you in just a minute, but y'all, I've been rocking the 1-finger levers, and great levers, man. But one thing I don't like about these levers here is where you adjust them at. Sometimes this get hard to adjust right here, and they don't come in as close as they really need to. Great levers, I don't have anything bad to say about it, but I hate this right here. This is really hard to turn at times to adjust these levers right here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some more levers that I got right here from Oberon. I hope I said that right. Tucker Speed, man. I talked with the company, man. They sent me some of these out to show you all. I think you'll really like these. For those that have small hands and have issues with, you know, coming out here, getting your brake lever or your clutch lever, this company right here make great adjustable levers. Let me show you the one that I got here. I got the one with the red dial on it to adjust your lever. Look how easy that is compared to trying to do this right here, trying to rotate this around. This is just so much easier. They look good, and you know, I've been putting pieces of red on here, so it's gonna match perfect. You can get these in gold, blue. Matter of fact, let me pull out my phone right here. They got different dials that you can get on these right here. You can get it in orange, red, gold, blue, titanium, silver, black. And they got 3 different levels that you can get. Also, you can get the custom. You can get the arrow blade. I got the arrow blade. See right here on the end? That's why they call it the arrow blade, right there on the end. I like that because when you put your hand on here, you can tell when you're getting close to the lever, right? I mean, to the end of the lever right there. I really like that. And they have the standard. But like I say, I'm gonna put their website on. We're gonna get these on. It's very easy to install. I really like these, and I want to thank Tucker Speed for sending me these Oberon grips out here. And you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, they got their name right here, and look, their logo here too as well. I think that's really sweet. So yeah, man, we're gonna get these on, and the only thing you're gonna need to do this, you need a snap pin ring here to get the little clip off. I already took this one off here. Let me show you. It just goes in the hose right here, and you open it up, and it'll open this up right here as well. And I already took my mirrors off, as you can see, and a 5/16 to take these off. So and another thing they had in here as well, they got some more deals on here for you, some snap rings right here for you. And they sent me the stickers out with it. They sent me this keychain thing. I really like this right here. So yeah, man, very nice package. It came really nice and neat, so you can't beat it. They got all the instructions and everything right here that tells you about the levers and everything. So hey, man, we're gonna get these on really quick, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Like I say, it's very easy. You're just gonna take the 2 screws out your clutch clips right here, and this is gonna come off, and I'm just gonna pull the pin out right here, and we're gonna put them on, y'all. So let's get them on, and I'll show you what they look like. It's very simple, y'all. Like I say, I already got the pin out, so look at that. Simple to come out. So I didn't even have to take that off. So check this out. So now let me find the right side for this one. I think this is it right here. Very nice. This is well made, y'all. The quality of this is crazy, man. I mean, crazy. Just put it in there. Make sure you get it on that. Put it in there good so you can get your pen in there. And look at that. Already in there. You can adjust it right here. Look at that. Look how easy that is to adjust. Did y'all see that? How fast they went up and down? Look at that. Just easy to adjust so you can get, oh my God, that feels good, y'all. Very easy and simple. Did y'all see that right there? And I love the way they feel. I love the little slope that it has in it right here. So it brings it back closer to your hand a little more. So y'all, let me get these all the way on. You see how easy it is to do it. And we're gonna get the clip on here, under here. We're gonna get the mirrors on here and show you what it looked like after we get it done. And again, I want to thank Tucker Speed for sending these over, and I will put a link to their website down there so you can go check it out. These are for my subscribers that don't know about Tucker Speeds and Oberon. Man, you can get them in different colors as well. So we'll talk about that after I get these on. I definitely love the way they look, man. Check them out compared to my other ones over here. Those are one finger levers here. And those are Oberon right there. I love that red. It sticks out and go with all the red that I have on the bike. It looks really good. So we're gonna finish getting the other one on and we'll show you the finishing product. Right? Okay, y'all, everything is installed. Very easy installation. This one came off without having to take, I shouldn't even took the mirror off. It was very easy. But this side here, you definitely gotta take this off right here because it goes back behind here to take this one off. So you definitely got to take this one off all the way. But y'all, look at how they look. They feel great. I love that their name right here got the little hole. You can tell when you pretty much at the end. And they feel a lot better because they're a lot closer now. Look how close this one is here. See, the other ones were just so hard to adjust. These, look at that, they coming closer. That's crazy, man. Look at that. And they easy pull too. What y'all think about that? So y'all definitely have to go check out Tucker Speeds. Check out the Oberon levers here. You can, like I said, you can get them in red, gold, blue, different colors. So you just go check out the website. Tell them what you want. I think you'll be well pleased with them. The quality is off the chain. Great quality. I love the way they feel over my other levers here. These feel much sturdier than the other ones. The other one I had a whole lot of play in here on the one finger, but those are just really sturdy right now, and I like those. So y'all, man, again, make sure you check the website out. I will put it down here, and y'all make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe for your boy. I really appreciate it, man. We got more content coming for Khrome, and we got more content coming for the hook over here in the corner. Y'all gonna be surprised how this boy sound, the hook, when I get done with, and how it's gonna look. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Hey, Tall, hey man, I might be down on the Wayne, dog. But y'all, make sure you check out the website, man. Make sure you check out the website. I think you'll find great quality stuff out here. Now, like I said, again, I want to say, Tucker Speed, thank you for sending this over so I can show my viewers about this right here. Great quality. I have been seeing them, and then one of my subscribers said something to me about it. Again, we want to thank y'all for just checking out the channel. We got more to come, like I say. And to the next time, baby, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all enjoy this weekend, man. And thank you for watching this fire-tail video right here, man. We out, man. Have a blessed one.